Kabagat, siya po yung aking foreman. But he worked in Qatar before as a supervisor. Kabagat, siya po yung aking foreman. But he worked in Qatar before as a supervisor. Okay, interviewin natin siya mga kabagat if ano ang unang, what is the first step when you become a supervisor?
Sorry?
Before, what is the step how you become a supervisor?
Hardworking.
And
And my luck.
then,
Because I am honest with my work.
very good,
If
very good.
you're not honest with your work, you not get any opportunities.
Right.
First you honest with your work.
And how can you handle your manpower?
I don't know, they are handled automatically. I don't know.
But you know mga kabagat, this foreman is a very good man because you know, even here his voice is sometimes shouting, but deep inside in the heart, no, that is just only normal for this man.
Nah, shouting is different thing.
Yeah. Depends
But
upon
money
when
is
shouting.
not good. That salary is not good.
Yeah. Okay mga kabagat ha. Yung mga nandiyan sa Pilipinas, yung gusto niyo mag-upgrade, mag-apply sa foreman, may advice ko lang sa inyo mga kabagat, try until you succeed.
Of course.
Because you know, mga kabagat, life is a ladder race.
Failure is not the end of the life.
Yes.
Failure is the start of the life. So when you are failure, start again.
Yes.
And again and again.
Yeah, right.
One day, inshallah, you will be success.
Okay.
But don't lose your hopes.
Okay, foreman, thank you very much for a small time for my
Thank you.
interview. Okay.